Open search menu and search for services. Open the services app. Locate the virtual disk service. Double click on the virtual disk service. Set the startup type to automatic. Check allow service to interact with desktop. Click on apply and click on OK. Start the service. Open search menu and search for control panel. Open control panel. Change view by to large icons. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Select allow an app or through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Check the box next to remote volume management. Click OK. If remote volume management is not listed, click allow another app and browse to the file path. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.